Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the month of Christmas and here I am to show you all simple and easy recipe of how to make gingerbread man cookies. Also I'll be showing you all how to make substitute for molasses because many people are not aware about what is molasses and molasses is not available easily worldwide. So many people do not get molasses, so here I have a substitute. This is a palm jaggery. With this palm jaggery, we will be making substitute for the molasses and I'll be showing this along with the gingerbread man cookies. So let's get started. To make the gingerbread man cookies, here I am having 2 cup of flour, which is 570 grams flour, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, which is 75 to 80 grams, 1/3 cup of butter. Here I have spices, nutmeg powder, clove powder, cinnamon powder and ginger powder and baking soda. If you do not have dry ginger powder, you can substitute this with the fresh grated ginger. And here I have a palm jaggery, which I'll be showing you how to use a substitute for the molasses. This is a palm jaggery. This is how it looks. I've kept ready. I've grated them and kept ready. I'll be sharing link in the description box so you can buy. In my stand mixture bowl, first I am adding flour, 2 cup of flour. Into this I am adding baking soda and all the spices. I am giving a good mix so things will combine nicely, and I am emptying this in my wooden bowl because this is a small bowl. That's the reason I have mixed in this bowl. I am having saucepan for the molasses, so I am showing you how to make substitute for the molasses. Into my saucepan, I am adding 5 tablespoons of water and now I am adding 100 grams of palm jaggery, grated palm jaggery, and I'll give a good mix. You can see the color. So what is molasses? It is basically extract of the sugar cane. It is also known as black treacle. Into this I am adding half a teaspoon of lemon juice. So molasses is used in all the bakery products and it is not available worldwide. I've given an easy substitute of molasses. You all can make easily this at home. We'll let this come to a boil and we'll let this thicken. So we'll get the perfect substitute for the molasses. Molasses is used for sweetening and flavoring to the foods. Store-bought molasses have preservatives and chemicals in it, whereas homemades are safer. I hope you like my substitute for the molasses recipe. It started thickening and it is little bit sticking to the spoon. Till the molasses mixture doesn't fully stick to the spoon, we will check this way. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes to make this thick. And you all can see it has started thickening. Running the finger in the spoon, you will come to know exactly. Our molasses has thickened nicely. You all can see the consistency. It has started thickening to the spoon. So now I'll off the flame and I'll let our molasses cool down for a while. You all can see the consistency of the molasses. It doesn't look like homemade. So I hope you like the substitute of molasses. Let molasses rest for some time and prepare for the cookie dough. I'm adding first butter in my stand mixture along with the brown sugar. Now I will cream this together. I'll let this mix for a while for 2 to 3 minutes. Our brown sugar and butter has mixed nicely. Into this next I am adding 1 egg. Now I'll scrape the sides so everything combines well. To this I am adding our molasses. You all can see the consistency. It has come out really very nice. You all can see the stickiness. After adding molasses, I'll run our stand mixture for a minute. So all the wet ingredients will get combined nicely. Our wet mixture is ready now. Into this I am adding my dry mixture. So after adding flour, I am going to put my mixture on low. So our wet ingredients and dry ingredients should be well combined. And you all can see our dough is well combined. So now I'll take our dough onto surface. Now I'm going to plastic wrap this. I'll make 2 parts of the dough and I'll cling wrap them in 2 parts and chill in the fridge for 2 hours. You can chill them for overnight and make next day also, but minimum I am going to chill them for 1.5–2 hours. Our dough has chilled nicely. It has firmed up. You all can see. Now I am going to flour my surface and roll the dough. I have rolled my dough into 1/4 inch thick and I am going to use this gingerbread man cookie cutter, and we'll cut all the cookie with the help of this. Our gingerbread man cookies are ready to go in the oven. I have preheated my oven at 170 degrees. The cookies will go in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Our gingerbread man cookies are baked. They are looking gorgeous, smelling amazing. Now I'll let them rest in the tray for 2 minutes and then we'll decor them with the royal icing. I'm having this royal icing which I have colored them into different colors, and I am going to decorate our gingerbread man cookies with the royal icing. Here are my yummy and decorated cookies are ready. I hope you like my recipes of gingerbread cookies and molasses. If you like my video, please give thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching my channel. To learn the substitute of molasses and gingerbread cookies, watch my video on YouTube. To watch such more Christmas recipes, stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.